Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound US Dollar GBP USD for Monday, 1st June. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD, and as you can see, I am in the 4 hours time frame, my favorite time frame. Okay, and if you look at the chart, then there is no doubt that GBP is in GBP USD is an uptrend, and as we all know, this pair is an uptrend for a long period of time. Okay, and in, if I zoom in, and if I tell you to just focus on this particular portion, okay, then we can easily see that market is in sideways. Okay, there is no doubt that market is an uptrend. Okay, there is no doubt about it, about the overall trend of the market. But right now the market is in sideways. Market is in a range, and to be precise, we can see that market is in a tight range. Okay, market is trading in a tight range right now. Okay. And if you can see this particular green level, okay, this is the resistance level for the market, because see, if I zoom out, okay, if I zoom out the chart, then you can easily see that in the month of February, in the second week of February, when market was very much bullish, market went up, it faced resistance, and after that there was some heavy sell off, and after that market came down. And right now market is still facing the same resistance from that particular price level, and that price level is this level. Okay, so market is having severe resistance, crucial resistance at this particular level. So we are seeing on the chart that whenever market is going up, or whenever market is trying to go up, okay, whenever market is trying to break the resistance, it is failing because market is having severe selling pressure. So this level 1.4200 is acting as a crucial resistance for the market. And on the other hand, we know it very well that market is an uptrend. Therefore, bulls are okay, bulls are trying to take the price upward, whereas sellers are sitting above, and they are pushing the price downward. Okay, as a result, market is in a range right now. Okay, and if we switch to the weekly time frame, okay, as we all know, I'm a big fan of multi time frame analysis, and I prefer the weekly time frame. Okay, and if we switch to the weekly time frame, we can also see that weekly time frame is also telling us the same story. In the weekly time frame also, we can see that market is in uptrend. Okay, market is in uptrend, market is trying to go up, but market is facing resistance at the same level, and as a result market is coming down. And 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 there is no prominent support or resistance level on the weekly chart. Okay, so from the weekly chart we just got the confirmation that yes, there is no problem, there is no other support resistance on the chart. Okay. And so we just need to focus on the resistance level that is available to us right now. So what should be a strategy? What should be a strategy for Monday then? As we all know, okay, in a trending market, okay, we should always look for a trade that is what to say that goes with the trend. Okay, we should not go against the trend. We should always look for a trade that is not going against the trend. So in this chart we can easily see that market is in uptrend. Okay, market is in uptrend. Therefore, our first duty is to look for trading opportunities towards the towards buying side. And here, okay, here we can see that market is an uptrend, and as always we should always look for area of value. So area of value in an uptrend market, okay, area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the golden spot. Okay, so area of value in an uptrend market is always near the support, and on the other hand, area of value in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. Or to put it simply, so the base trading spot or the base trading level in an uptrend market is always near the support. So you should always look for buying opportunities near the support in an uptrend market. On the other hand, you should always look for shorting opportunities in a downtrend market. Okay. So in this case, our market is an uptrend, and if we look at this currency meter, okay, this is the currency meter, we can see that GBP USD also positive and USD also positive. Okay. Overall GBP is positive, therefore we should look for buying opportunities only. Our first duty is to look for buying opportunities. So our first buying opportunity is this level, 1.4089 level. Okay. Wait. This is our first buying opportunity in this chart. So if you find market near this level, okay, if you find market near this level, then just observe the price, just try to read the chart, just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that price is getting rejected from below like previous times, like this, if you see the market is forming hammer kind of pattern, market is about to bounce, okay, market is forming green candles, then you can go for a buy order at this particular level. Okay. And what will be your take profit target? Your take profit target will be 1.4200. Wait. Actually, yeah, this 1.4203. Actually, it is 00. Okay, it will be 00. 1.4200. So if you enter here, then you need to exit at this particular level, because see, this is the range right now market is trading. So this is your first trading opportunity in GBP USD chart, and the second trading opportunity will be, as you can see on the chart right now, market is just standing at the resistance. Okay, so let the market open on Monday and you just see how the price is doing, because see, market is standing at a resistance, market is also coming down. So considering these two factors, if on Monday we see that selling pressure is there, sellers are pushing the price towards the downside, okay, then we can go for a short order, or we can sell GBP USD here. And what will be our target? Our first target will be this 1.4089 or 1.4090. This will be your target. Okay, so as long as market is trading in this particular range, so you can just buy here and you can just sell here. Previously 50 moving average was acting as a support to the market, but right now we can see that 50 moving average is not providing the required support. So as a result, we need to trade market in this range only. And considering the overall trend of the market, there is a possibility that in the coming week market will break this level. Okay, market will break this level. So let's see how the price does. So on the, in case market successfully, okay, in case market successfully crosses this level, or if you see that on Monday GBP USD is very strong, it has crossed the resistance, it has crossed the 1.4200 level, then also you should not buy right away. Okay, because see, Monday mornings are very dull. You need to wait for the market to cross this level at least. So until and unless market crosses this level, you should not go for buy order, because if you buy here, then again you will be facing resistance here. This whole portion is the resistance zone, this whole portion. So you should not buy in this zone. Let the market cross this level, 1.4250 level, then only we'll get the confirmation that yes, bulls are back again, they have the power to take the price upward. Till then, market is in range, so trade wisely, trade in the range only. Buy here and sell here. This is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.